Radio. Believers Radio. Hey yo, welcome back again to Believers Records, the show where we drop a hit every 4 times of the week. So guys, in today's video, I'm walking you through this Afro Amapiano Drumkit and Midi pad 2021 called Colors, straight from Believers Records. It's crazy, man. You know we always got you as far as high quality and amazing sounds is concerned. So yeah, man. So there's a lot of sounds in here. There's claps, there's hi-hats, there's kicks, there's a log drum preset, there's midis, there's percussion, there's snares, and there's toms. You know, man. You know, nicely processed. All you gotta do is just drag and drop, man. You know we always got you 24/7. You guys know how we do it on this channel, man. We always kill it.
Okay.
So yeah, man. So before we actually go further, I would like to give you that daily reminder. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to the channel. It surely does help us a lot. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I drop you some heat. And also, if you like what I'm serving you on that plate, please just go ahead and hit the like button as well. And also, guys, if you like what man is doing out here, you can just go ahead and do what? Yeah, go ahead and do that on Instagram. So yeah, man. So without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and jump straight into this. So for demonstration purposes, I'll be using Purity. So I'll be using Purity to demonstrate the midis. So there's like 9 midis in here, guys. 9 midis, 9 crazy midis. So I'm gonna be using the same piano that I used in making the beat that I'm gonna play for now, cause there's a free FLP that's coming in there. So I actually forgot to say that there's a free FLP in there. So once you actually download the drum kit, the FLP will be wrapped up in there, so you don't have to worry about that. Once you actually download the drum kit, the FLP will be in there. So it's an Amapiano beat that I made, the one that you can actually hear playing in the background. So yeah, man. So, and I'm gonna use the same piano that I used in making that beat. It's crazy, right? Yeah, man. So yeah. So without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and jump straight into this. So I'm gonna go ahead and load up the first MIDI right here. So to be safe, I'll be using a BPM of, let's say, 113. Yeah, 113. So we can play around from there. So yeah, man. So let's go ahead and do that. Oh wait, sorry, I'm sorry for that. So I wanted to play you the beat that I actually made, and sorry guys, I can't open the project because if I do open the project and then try to play the midis later, I don't know whether this actually happens to you. Once I play the midis after, there's usually like, I don't know, the midis don't actually load. I don't know whether it actually happens to you, but always happens to me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play the beat, the fully mastered beat. Then you guys will get the free FLP. So later you can actually go and check out and just see what I actually did to that beat to make it sound like that. So yeah, so let's do that. Let's start with the free beat, which is here. All right, let's go ahead and do that. yeah, man, I wasn't gonna play the whole thing. So yeah, so that's it for the beat, man. It's crazy, right? So once you actually download the drum kit, the FOP will be wrapped up in the. So you can go as far as just you can go ahead and just see what I put in the mixer and actually see what I did to make that beat sound like that, the process and everything else. And if you have any questions, you can go ahead and leave it down in the comments down below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. So yeah, man. So that's it. So that's it for the beat. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna jump straight to the midis. So let's go ahead and do that. So the first MIDI, I already loaded it up. All I gotta do is just press play. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, second MIDI. Third MIDI. Fourth MIDI. So guys, that's a MIDI that I use in making that beat. The free FOP. Yeah, fifth MIDI. Let's keep moving. Sixth MIDI. Seventh MIDI. Eighth MIDI. All right, ninth MIDI. All right, so man, yeah, so that's it for the midis. Crazy midis, crazy nine midis, crazy amazing midis. I have no words, man. So let's go ahead and jump straight to the claps, man. So all right, hi-hats. All right, there's a log drum preset here. All you gotta do is just drag and drop it. So let's say if you loaded up, let's say this, let's go ahead and load up log drum. So all you gotta do is just come here to the preset and just, yeah. So that's it. All right, let's go ahead, percussion. All right, snares. All right, toms. So yeah, that's it, man. That's it for the sauce. It's crazy. It's been highly and professionally mixed. All you gotta do is just drag and drop, and unless you feel like you actually want to go a step further, that's up to you, man. That's up to you, and what you actually want in the end product. But I promise you, man, this everything here is it's high quality. So man, so yeah, that's it. That's it for the drum kit, man. Enjoy it. And I forgot to mention, as for the midis, you don't have to actually go with that melody. If you feel like you actually want to tweak it, you can go as far as, tweaking it to your own liking, or should I say desire. So yeah, man, that's it. Enjoy the drum kit, and I will see you on the next one. Goodbye. Stay safe.